Hey guys, as you may have remembered me drawing this parrot first video, next video, to go around number 15 or 14 or something. I said 14? 15 or 14, something like that, I don't know. It's one of my videos, my past videos I did earlier. I drew this parrot, so now we're going to begin with pen. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna start with the photos on top. Normally I don't like to ink because when I think because like some things you can only do with pencil and stuff. So I think yeah, I'm going to color it in the next video. I'm not going to do it in this video. See, like this stuff? It's hard to do with hand, but I'm awesome at it for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know why. Dee 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 dee. Wee. Here we go. Gap, 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 gap. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Okay, now we're going to do the beak. Okay, yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah. It's like yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay. Berry, please. Beady, 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 beady. Ah! No. There we go. So yeah, I will